Today we're with Michel Drappier in Champagne, tasting his Brut Nature 02H Cuvée without added sulfur. You might remember this champagne has been produced for about 30 years now. 30 years ago, no one talked about Brut Nature 02H champagnes. Today they're trendy. We shouldn't forget Michel was a pioneer in making a Brut Nature champagne without dosage. Note that you'll find another cuvée called Brut Nature in the market, but without the no added sulfur label. This is the Brut Nature 02H Cuvée with no added sulfur. 100% Pinot Noir from Urville Village, Côte, with Jurassic limestone soils and Kimmeridgian bedrock. Kimmeridgian, it's hard to pronounce. These are fossil soils, marine fossils, chalk. This Pinot Noir is fermented without malolactic, then undergoes second fermentation for nearly 3 years in bottle. Before bottling, nothing's added. No sulfur, no sugar, nothing extra. So how does it taste? Well, it's not your typical racy, crisp Brut Nature champagne. It's well crafted with a refined, elegant palate. You'll find notes of pear, Granny Smith apple, lemon, and citrus with fine bubbles. There's a nice balance between minerality and acidity. It's not too intense, suitable for all tastes and budgets. If you're new to zero dosage champagne, try Michel Drappier's offering. Cheers! Drappier, zero dosage, no added sulfur. Farewell, demons.